10 signs you're ready to move your 457B into gold. Markets feel uncertain. Inflation keeps rising. If your retirement savings are mostly tied to stocks and bonds, you may be wondering if your 457B is still well protected. Gold has long been viewed as a way to preserve value during unstable times. This isn't about panic, it's about preparation. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Understanding the signs in this video can help you decide whether a 457B to gold IRA rollover fits your retirement strategy. 1. You're worried about market volatility. If market ups and downs make you anxious, your portfolio may be too exposed to stocks. Gold often holds value when markets decline. 2. Inflation is eating into your savings. Even growing accounts can lose real value due to inflation. Gold has historically helped protect purchasing power. 3. Economic uncertainty concerns you. Recessions, global conflicts, and policy changes can hurt paper assets. Gold tends to remain stable during uncertainty. 4. You prefer tangible assets. Gold is a physical asset, not dependent on company performance or promises on paper. 5. Your 457B lacks diversification. If your plan is mostly stocks and bonds, adding gold may help reduce overall risk. 6. You want more control over your investments. A gold IRA allows more flexibility than many employer-sponsored 457B plans. 7. You're nearing retirement. As retirement approaches, preserving wealth often matters more than aggressive growth. 8. You're planning for future taxes. Rolling into a gold IRA may offer tax structure choices that help manage future income. 9. You're concerned about currency stability. Gold is not tied to government debt or monetary policy, making it appealing during currency concerns. 10. You want to leave a lasting legacy. Gold is globally recognized and can be passed down as a long-term store of value. If market swings, inflation, or heavy stock exposure worry you, gold may offer balance and peace of mind. Recognizing these signs can help you decide whether a 457B to gold IRA rollover is right for your retirement goals. A well-diversified plan can help protect what you've worked hard to build, now and in the future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.